In this video, we'll explore the complete process for handling document tasks from start to finish. In the drop-down menu, select All under the Cases section. On the HR Cases page, click New to create a new case. In the form, select the employee for whom you are creating the HR case. Within the Case Details section, select a Center of Excellence, COE, to associate with the HR case. Determine an HR service to associate with the case. Keep in mind that document tasks will only be generated when a document template is linked to an HR case template, and that HR case template is part of the chosen HR service. Click Create Case. In the Tasks section of the HR case, you'll notice that a document task is automatically generated for the participant. This occurs when the appropriate case option is selected in the HR service, and the case status changes to Ready. Alternatively, you can manually initiate document tasks using the Preview Document option within the case. The participant can access the document task either through their assignments or via the employee portal. Participant can select Fill Document. The participant can complete the document task. Upon completion of all document tasks, the signed document will be linked to the HR case.